Hello Year 7. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a drum beat in GarageBand for your 4-chord song project. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up a new file in GarageBand and I am going to create a drum track. So I actually don't want this drummer, this kind of yellow person here. I want to make my own beats. So I'm going to go onto the drums and I'm going for the beat sequencer, which is the third kind of option along there. And that should give me some kind of grid format. And the next thing I want to do is I need to set up my template because I want my song to be a little bit longer than 8 bars. So if you can see these numbers running along the top here, I'm going to move it just to show you. Click on the plus right on the right hand side. And where it says 8 bars, I'm now going to make mine 24 bars should do it. That'll give me quite a few cycles of my 4-chord, 6 cycles there. So the next thing is I need to decide which drums I want to use. So I'm going to start to add in, I've got the bass drum here. I'm going to put on the first and third beat. You could have it on every beat if you like. It's giving me a pulse. I'm going to put a clap in between that. And then I want to add in some hi-hats. I'm going to have them on every quaver. You could have them going all the way through if you want to. You can change the sound of your kit if you like. If I just get it to stop. You could go for a different sounding kit. At the moment I've got an electronic kit, but if you wanted a real drum kit, I can transfer this onto a real drum kit. If you want more of a rock pattern. So I'm pretty happy. I've got quite a basic beat here. Just going to mess about with it a little bit, and you can have a bit of an experiment on where you want to put your beats. In general, it's quite useful to have a bass on the first beat and the third beat, and you tend to have a snare or a clap on the middle, but it's completely up to you. When you're happy with what your beat sounds like, you can then hit record. So I'm going to let this run a few times and then I'm going to change it a little bit. 1, 2, 3. This time I'm going to put fill in. Change my pattern slightly. I'm going to go all out crazy on the next one. Now, if you want to edit your drum part in any way, if you click on the button towards the top that takes you to this view, you can click on this and edit. So if you played a note in the wrong place and you're not happy with it, you could find it. You could say, right, I don't want that crash there. Actually, I'm going to remove it. Or there was somewhere I missed a note out because I couldn't, can you see here, I couldn't get my pattern going quickly enough. So you can actually take a note if you really like, and I can copy that note. And I can just paste it where the gap is. And I can paste it again. No, I might have to do it twice. So you can copy and paste and edit. So don't worry too much if your part is not perfect. I don't want that note there. I'm just going to delete it. So you can do a little bit of kind of finer editing to get your drum track sounding as you like.